Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to move files from OneDrive to PC. First of all you have to do is open your OneDrive, go to My Files. You will see all of your files on this section, and you have to select the file that you want to download and transfer it to your PC. Once I select it, you have to click on the download button from here. Now, the file is now downloaded onto my computer. And there is the file, and it's saved on my computer. There's another way of doing that, and it is by just closing your browser and open your file manager. From here you will see your OneDrive. You have to select your OneDrive, and from here you will see all of the files that are in your OneDrive right now. For example, I will select the file, I will click on copy, I will go to my any drive which is offline, which is not online. I will just paste the file, and the file will be downloaded and be pasted into my computer or into my external drive. As you can see, the file has been pasted, and that's how to move files from OneDrive to PC. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.